down to the plant to dump. Friday morning, about 6:15. That's what it is. Driving, huh? It's a Friday morning. I think it's January 5th, I believe. We had another pretty good snowstorm here in Iowa yesterday. Pretty good, about 40-car pileup out on I-80 over by Newton, west of Des Moines or east of Des Moines. So kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Be glad to get. It's only first part of February, but I'll be glad February's over. It's, I think, the worst month of the winter. You get some snow and you get freezing rain and you get stuff. We didn't even go out. Well, we did go out Monday. We went out. In fact, we went out yesterday morning before it hit, and you know, we start at 4 o'clock in the morning, so we got done about 6:30, something like that, I guess it was. And I think that's Steve right there dumping. See you, buddy. Back at the shop. We had all 6 trucks out this morning. We're downtown doing a bunch of grease interceptors, grease traps, different ones, so pretty crazy morning. We all got started about 4 o'clock. Like I say, it's about 6:15 right now, and we will hopefully be finishing up here about 7:30. Planning on going back to the shop, have some Casey's pizza, breakfast pizza for a Friday morning breakfast. Just get together. Everybody hates coming down here on Friday morning. This is the water treatment plant that I'm going into right now. This is quite a facility here in Des Moines, Iowa. Capital city of Iowa. But gotta open a gate. Get through here. Can this morning. Driving a tanker. I don't know if you can see that tanker behind me. Probably can. Coming in here. Yeah, we're just getting down here to the plant. Like I say, it's about 6:30 in the morning, Friday morning. We usually try and knock out Fridays. A lot of Fridays we don't even work, but we're trying to knock this Friday out. It's always the first Friday of the month that we come downtown Des Moines, get stuff done. Here's where we pull up on the scales. Get this sucker shifted down so I can pull up on here. Looks like they haven't scraped the snow off too much from yesterday. Just kind of get in here. Oh, there's one of our guys dumping right there. Wonder if they're done with Hy-Vee already. They might be. Anyway, I'm gonna set this right here. Hopefully, see some of this when I pull up here. I've got to get out, swipe my card. I'll show you what I'm doing here. See if you can get this on camera at all. Shoot. Old man, I gotta have glasses on so I can see the number on the sample bottle. say we got these 5,000 gallon tankers, and we come in here and we got a 6-inch hose. And, we hook up. It takes us, I don't know, 5 to 8 minutes to dump 5,000 gallons. Doesn't take long at all. This thing positioned right, so I can hook that big hose on here. Shut this off first. Okay, we are back. Let's see if that camera will sit there. Ready to head them out. I got to check out now. Dump the load. Took probably, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. This is my son Ben. Hey, do you need me or do you need me? I'm just leaving the dump. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay, good. Keep them blocked off. Okay, so you're doing the whole thing or something, or not? Are you doing the whole thing at Hy-Vee? Okay, I'll be there. I'm just getting weighed out. I'll be out. I'll be there in about 10 minutes or whatever. Okay, yep, bye. Okay, we gotta check out here. It's quite a process getting out of this plant, but I tell you what, I thank God that we have this plant, because we can come down here and usually we can just, if it's not backed up with, you know, we had 3 openings there, 3 places to dump, and if it's not backed up with semis or anything, we can get in here and get out in less than 10 minutes usually. And then we can go back and get another load, which I'm going to go do right now. I got to go downtown again, and we're going to pump another load. And it's cold. Man, I tell you what, I bet it's single digits right now. I'd have to look at my phone to see what it is, but that dang wind chill, probably 20 below right now. You know, we got nice heated valves, stuff on our trucks, so we don't have to worry about too much about freezing up our valves too much. Come on. Remember what gear I'm in. So we'll head downtown, clean another big one. 5,000 gallons, get it dumped. Have quite a morning. But it's a good Friday. We usually only work the first Friday of the month. Across these dang railroad tracks really slow. I put my hazard lights on, warning lights, and I just go across them slow. I don't want to beat these trucks and trailers up. So guys fly over those railroad tracks. I can always tell the owner of a truck and somebody that's just hired to drive that truck. Owners of their trucks slow way down at that railroad crossing. I come to a complete stop almost and go across it real slow because I own the trucks. I don't want them busted up. So we'll get downtown here. Before we get down there and warm up, get out, pump another load. It's a clear sky, that's why it's so dang cold. There's no cloud cover at all. It's just see the moon and the sun's just coming up, so we're going to be right at the coldest part of the day when the sun's coming up here. And I don't know, high today is supposed to be in the teens, I think. But tomorrow, clear till next Saturday. I was looking at 10-day forecast, and we're supposed to be in single digits every day, high. The lows will be in negative, whatever, so hopefully we can operate next week. Wind chill isn't going to be so bad. But it's just hard on equipment. It's hard on guys. I know in the past there's been mornings when it's been about 30 below wind chill. We just go, nope, we don't need to break something. We don't need to get some guys hurt out there in the cold. Anything stupid. So we'll get her tomorrow if it warms up a little bit. But we've got enough guys and enough trucks that we can do that. We're pretty flexible. Going downtown Des Moines, Iowa. Hy-Vee grocery store to get done here. It's 10,000 gallons. There's 2 trucks that pumped one of them. I'm going to go down there, fill this semi up again with the other 5. Get her to the dump. This person is doing walking along the road here. It's not real smart, dressed in black or whatever. Can't see him. Not smart. Lights work with me. 13 speed in here, so the other 2 semis have automatics in them. They're all Freightliners. I believe this is a 2017, I believe, is this Freightliner. This is the nicer one, the Concordia. It's a nice truck. Nice big cab. We'll just hook this dang hose instead of getting a bunch more out here. We'll let him get a load. got a load. He want hose out. By the time we get hose out, he's gonna be full. We got 3 trucks down here. A little one sitting there, and we're pumping with the big semi. And we got the 45. And we got 4 guys down here. In fact, we got 4 trucks. We got a truck for every one of us. Steam rolling out of here this morning. And it's cold. It's cold, cold, cold. Downtown Des Moines. Sun's just coming up.